Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, today I am back with another amazing video. In this video you will see such a wide range of Christmas centerpieces. Ideas are very unique, adorable and colorful. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for you. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. Watch my video till end. Stay blessed. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you.